Hey, this is Jennifer, and in today's video, we are gonna do a really fun combination using 3 of the belly dance moves that I do in the video, top 5 Shakira belly dance moves. So we are gonna do a hip drop, a downward figure 8, and an upward figure 8. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely watch it because I spend more time breaking down exactly how to do those moves. The link to that video will be in the description box below. And there's also gonna be a link to another video that I highly recommend watching, which is Don't Try to Dance with Shakira. I know that sounds weird, but it makes a lot of sense when you watch the video. Let's get into it and have some Shakira fun. All right, let's get started. Let's warm up with a step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. Just getting our bodies moving, feeling the rhythm. Let's change that to a step, hip, step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. And if you want to get fancy, you can add your arms. You could even take it out to the side. And forward, forward. Let's take some circles, front and back, front, back, front. And reverse, front, back, front, back. Good little shimmy, shimmy it out. You can even add some shoulder rolls. Okay, we're gonna start with some hip drops. Nice bend in that standing leg. Tuck the tailbone under, lift the chest, lift, drop. So we squeeze, drop, squeeze, drop. Make sure you have a bend in that standing leg is really important. Drop, squeeze, drop. Now let's double time. Squeeze, drop, squeeze, drop, squeeze, drop. Good, now hold it and drop, drop, drop. Warming up those obliques. We're gonna be doing this hip drop in the combo. All right, let's do the other side slow. Nice bend in that standing leg, tucking under and lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, double time and lift, drop, 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 hold and drop, drop. That way we're on the beat with the drop, which makes a hip drop, drop, drop. Okay, let's get those downward 8s. Down, squeeze, slide, 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 down, and regular time, squeeze, slide down, squeeze, slide down. Keep your upper body nice, good posture in your upper body, lifting up from the sides, shoulders down and back, pulling up through the top of your head. Squeeze, slide down, squeeze, slide down. Good, we're gonna do a step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch. And we're gonna overlay that downward figure 8. Down, down, down. Squeeze, slide down, squeeze, slide down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna put those 2 things together. I'll show you. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Upward 8, starting on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, drops. Upward 8s. Last time, and drop. 2, 3, 4. Upward. Good. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Shakira with 3 belly dance moves, and I'll see you in the next combo video.